Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Maybe you watched a cartoon of it. Well, Goldilocks and the Three Bears, where this girl goes into a cabin where three bears own it, but they are out doing something. And she sees three different bowls. The big one is too hot. The little one is too cold. And the middle one is just right. She goes and she's tired. She wants to take a nap. The big bed is too soft. The little bed is too firm. And the middle bed is just right. That's what we are talking about for Goldilocks packages. If you're using this for a sponsorship sheet, it could look like this. You could give a potential sponsor three options. And by the way, I always recommend having the highest option first. That's called price anchoring. So the most costly option is the first option. So then you're hoping that they say, that one seems a little out of my budget. And then they go down to the other two and they see the smallest one, the smallest package, and they say, that doesn't quite give me enough of what I'm looking for. And then they look at the middle package and they say, you know what? That one's just right, because you did a good job with price anchoring and because you did a good job with making the smallest offer not offer quite enough. That middle offer seems really appealing. Now, if all you had was just the middle offer, you might have more people thinking that the middle offer is the expensive one. They might look at it and say, this seems a little pricey. I'm not sure if we want to do it. So having that top tier, we'll call it a title sponsor, the title sponsor of my whole podcast. They sponsor everything. Maybe I give them social media shout outs. Maybe I do other things with them. Maybe they are allowed a booth at my event if I host an event. So there's all of these offerings. Maybe let's just say it's $10,000. Let's just say it's $10,000 per month and a 6 to 12 month contract. You could do a 6-month contract or a 12-month contract. Well, that gives them an option, but they might look at it and say, well, that's out of our budget. We don't have 10 grand a month. We're a smaller company. We're a growing company, or we just committed some of that money to another place. And they might look at the bottom package and they might say, they're not even reading ads for this. They're only putting our name in the show notes, or they are reading the ads, but it's only 15-second ads. And we've already got a pre-recorded 30-second ad. So the top ad might say, you get 2 ads per the top package. The title sponsor might say there's 2 ads per episode. There is a 30-second ad and then there is a 10-second ad. Or let's just say a 45 and a 15. Okay. 45 and 15. Then the middle only has a 30-second advertisement in the podcast once. And the bottom tier, the basic, the low tier, the starter package, it has 1, 10 or 15-second advertisement per podcast. And it doesn't come with much else. The middle one comes with that and a bunch of other cool things. And the top one comes with all of those cool things, but just slightly more, slightly better. And then plus 2 random bonuses, 1 or 2 random bonuses that, like, for example, having a booth at your event or something like that, where not everybody's going to use that. Not everybody needs that, but some people will. Now, here's the psychology behind it. For the most part, I've noticed with my company and my podcast that most people do pick the middle package if you structure it right. So I'm going to teach you how to structure it right. Most people do pick the big package. And here are the things to think about. You want the top package to be probably more than double or almost double the price of the middle package. So it seems really tough to get because it's just twice as much money. One might be $5,300, the other might be $9,600. So just less than twice the price. But not offering a whole bunch more services. It's pretty similar, but one of them is like half the price. The next thing is that the basic package almost offers nothing, but is similar to the price of the middle package. So for example, it might be $3,700 a month or $5,300 a month. 37, 53, it's about 4,000 to 5,000. It's slightly below 4 and it's slightly above 5. It's not double the price. It's only like 30% more or so. I'm not doing the math on a calculator, but I'm kind of doing quick math in my head. It's like around 30% more, and that's it. And you get more than double the stuff. So think about it like that.